Good morning, student. Today we will study chapter 13, Some Natural Phenomena. The natural phenomena that occurs in nature are the examples of earthquakes, tsunamis, etc. In this chapter, we study electric surges that are linked with lightning. First, we come to electric surges. It is an atom where it is the nucleus. Within this nucleus, we get two subatomic particles. These are proton and neutron. And in a circular part, the electrons move around the nucleus. In the circular part, electrons move around the nucleus. These protons are positively charged particles, neutrons have no charge, and these electrons are negatively charged particles. In an atom, the number of protons, that means this positive charge, and the number of electrons, that means negative charge, are equal. So it is electrically neutral. Protons and neutrons together form the nucleus of an atom as they are present in the center, while the electrons revolve around the nucleus in an orbit or cells. Charging a body. An electrically neutral object can be charged by various methods. Number 1. Charging by friction. There is a friction between two bodies. When they are rubbed against each other, this produces an equal and opposite charge in both the bodies. Thus, the friction is one of the methods by charging a body. So, charged a comb and attracts paper and dry leaves. Next method, charging by conduction. If we touch a charged object to an uncharged one, the electric charge will flow from the charged object to the uncharged one, and this process is called conduction. And number 3, charging by induction. We can also charge a body by bringing a charged body near it. Without touching it, the charged body includes the same charge that it has on the uncharged body. This method of transfer of charge is called induction. The process of transfer of charges from a charged object to the earth is called earthing or grounding. Lightning. The streak of bright light is known as lightning, and the process is called electric discharge. Structure of the earth. The earth consists of 3 parts. Number 1, crust. Number 2, mantle. Number 3, core. Crust, it is the outermost solid shell of the earth, and mantle it is just below the crust. It consists of semi-solid rocks, iron, magnesium and calcium. Core, it is the innermost part of the earth. Next, occurrence of earthquakes. An earthquake is a sudden movement or a disturbance in the lithosphere. Earthquakes may be mild or massive, resulting in destruction on a large scale. Earthquakes can be caused due to various reasons. The reasons are: number 1, volcanic eruption; number 2, underground nuclear explosion; number 3, collision of meteor and earth; and number 4, movement of tectonic plates. All earthquakes are not the same magnitude. The magnitude depends on the amount of energy released and can be evaluated by the size of the seismic waves. The instrument used to measure seismic waves is called a seismograph.